What's up, muscle car people? This is Brain Muscle Cars. We're back with another episode of preparing for one lap of America and drag week. Are you ready for this?
I am. Today, we are going to install a trailer hitch.
Oh man, oh!
It's too heavy, Matt.
Whoa, man.
Matt can't pick it up, it's that heavy.
When you get to be my age, I'm old, you shouldn't pick up heavy stuff like that. You got young guys to help you out with that.
So, this mounts to the back of the car, pretty much on top of the mufflers. The muffler will sit here on each side. It goes right up into the frame with a couple bolts. That's pretty much it. There's not much to it.
Looks like 4 bolts.
4 bolts, yeah. That's really all it should take. We will have to wire up some lights for the hitch lights then. But that's it. We're gonna need it for one lap. We got a lot of luggage to carry, a lot of spare tools, not really tires for one lap, but that's okay. We're definitely gonna need it for drag week. I won't need it for drag week. He will.
I'll need it.
I'm gonna probably be carrying most of the spare tools and parts and tires and E85 for Matt because this is actually a street car. His is just gonna be a race car driven on the street. So yeah, we're gonna get to installing this. Hitch fasteners apart. I didn't think it came with anything because the box got all ripped up, but it did. It came with a pin here, cotter pin, the plates, and as I'm reading the instructions here, this nifty little thing, you thread the bolt into this little spring and then you feed this wire up over through the hanger so you could pull the bolt down. So you're not trying to shove it up and it would almost be impossible to do with your hands. That's actually pretty ingenious to do.
Begin by unbolting the mufflers. The next step is to feed all 4 bolts down through the frame using the guide wire and making sure the mounting plates are above the frame. Once you have all 4 bolts pulled through the frame, you need to raise the hitch up and secure nuts on the end of the bolts.
That's it. Alright, so the hitch is on, it's bolted on. Another issue is this aftermarket light is in the way. We could just tilt it up and put the bar there. Most of the time we'll just leave it like that, leave this out, because we're not going to be using the hitch that often. It's not going to be a tow car. See, bolt, and the washers, and it's on there. It's not going anywhere. That's pretty much how you install a hitch on a G8. Now we'll do an outro.
Alright guys, we watched Jared struggle and almost kill himself probably putting that hitch on. But it's installed, right?
It's installed. So thanks for watching.
Hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell. We know on this channel if you smashed it or not. And remember, if you got a fast car, you better brake.
Go home and go to bed.